Hello people, welcome back. What shall I achieve this rice swallow? So this is the kind of rice I will be using. I will measure 1 cup and I will add it to my bowl. I will add in water. So sorry guys, my video did not pick to where I add water and covered it. So yeah, it is the next day I washed it and I pour it to the blender. So I will add in some water and I'll cover it and blend it until it's very, very smooth. Look at that. So once it is properly blended, you take it off the blender and pour to your bowl. So here is it. I on my gas and I put it. And now I'm going to use my spatula to just continue to stir and stir. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning. I'm seeing the like, the comment, the share. I really appreciate your support. Keep supporting, keep commenting, keep liking. May the good Lord bless you all. So I'll continue this process until everything comes together. If you are new to the channel and you like health recipe, healthy juice, different varieties of food, lifestyle, this is the channel for you. Follow me and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to look at and check out for other videos of mine that you might find helpful. So as you can see guys, it is already coming together. So now I'll add water and I'll cover it to cook. So you look at it guys, it has already changed color. Guys, this rice swallow is a substitute for pounded yam, amala, anything swallow. So nice. I use that rice because it have some starch that you don't need to add more starch. Look at it, it's just so starchy, so soft, so nice. I added it to my fling and now just look at, I'll mold it. You can pair with any soup, vegetable soup, okra, egusi soup, black soup, banga soup, any kind of soup is a go for this recipe. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. I paired mine with ogbono soup. Bye.